I'm walking with Nnanyereugo. I really walked up a big hill now. That's why I'm breathing like a horse. He's sleeping. And then agadi akuke. Oh neba. Anahazi. He's enjoying. Didn't want to stress him today. So this is one of my favorite places to go for a walk, close to my house. There is a grapeyard here where they're growing grapes from wine. Here is the village I live, and then just farmland all over, some cows. It's just a wonderful place, very serene. Good to refresh your mind and exercise a little bit. And down there, I cannot show you yet, there's a lake. So sometimes you can take the bike, drive to the lake and then go for a swim, which is amazing. There's no crocodiles. It's not that good a lake here. Let me see if you can see it. It's still a bit far. Yeah, you might see it there, right? Right here. That's the Katzensee, the cat lake. I don't know why it's called like that. There's no cats there. It's just a small lake, which is nice because then in summer the water gets warm quickly, and I hate cold water. And, so it's really cool. Kids say they can take the ride with the bike to the lake already now. So we go there sometimes, especially now when it's so hot. And up on this hill, there's an old house where they used to make wine. And actually the press is still here, though it's no longer used. Right, so they used to put the grapes here and then turn this wheel to make the juice and the wine afterwards. It's nice, they keep these things for people to still see how it was done. But when did it was it? Now everything is industrialized. Yes. I'm drink some water. In Switzerland, every water that comes from I don't know how you call this. It's not a fountain, right? But every water that comes out from a tap, a public tap, is drinking water. It's purified, so you can just, whenever you're thirsty, you see water, you can drink it, unless they write it. So if it's not drinkable, they are obliged to write that it's not drinkable. So enjoy myself. Nothing as good as fresh water. Miribundo. Ooh. Yeah. Just thought I would say hi today. It's been a while I've made a video. I've been really busy with Omugwa. Though it's very different Omugwa from Igbo Omugwa, because you're on your own. Nobody will come and help you out. But it's part of it, right? At least I don't have to go to work for now. So I'm enjoying at home. Have a nice day.